Let's learn, one by one, these fruit names. Let's play. Apple. Apple. Banana. Banana. Grape. Grape. Mango. Mango. Coconut. Coconut. Cherry. Cherry. Blueberry. Blueberry. Orange. Orange. Strawberry. Strawberry. Peach. Peach. Kiwi. Kiwi. And watermelon. Watermelon. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Apple. Excellent. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Banana. Good job. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Grape. Excellent. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Mango. Excellent. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Coconut. Good job. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Cherry. Excellent. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Blueberry. Excellent. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Orange. Good job. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Strawberry. Excellent. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Peach. Excellent. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Kiwi. Excellent. Now, tell me what fruit this is. Watermelon. Good job. Wow, that was fun. One more review. Apple. Apple. Banana. Banana. Grape. Grape. Mango. Mango. Coconut. Coconut. Cherry. Cherry. Blueberry. Blueberry. Orange. Orange. Strawberry. Strawberry. Peach. Peach. Kiwi. Kiwi. And watermelon. Watermelon. Good job!